Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari app not working after iOS 17 update. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, if you try to open Safari and it's showing that that page is not opening or the Safari is crashing, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open setting and just simply have to make sure that you are properly connected with internet. And after that, guys, just simply have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds and then turn it off. And after that, guys, you have to scroll it down and just simply have to tap on general. From here, you have to scroll it down. Now, from here, you have to tap on iPhone store, and from here, you have to look at for Safari app. So, from here, you have to offload that app. Let me show you here, guys. I'm going to search for Safari. Here it is, guys. So, from here, you have to delete the website data, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now from here you have to open settings and tap on general, then scroll it down, and then you have to make sure that you're not connected with VPN. If you are connected with VPN, just simply you have to disconnect it. And here is the main reason: if Safari is not working, then it means your date and time is not correct, or you don't set these toggles. Okay guys, so you have to turn on these toggles, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open settings again. From here you have to locate for Safari again. Here it is guys. From here you have to scroll it down. Now from here you have to clear history and website data. From here you have to tap on clear history. Now you can also select the timing: all history, today or yesterday, or last hour. So you have to select the all history, tap on clear history. Now your history will be clear. Now let me tell you that you have to restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.